Irish situation. Yeah. How did you get yourself out of it? Oh, yeah, Irie, did you like it? Yeah. Hey, hey. Baby, come close. Baby, come close to me. Baby, come close, girl. I need a dose. I need you medically. I need you medically, yeah. I wanna roll you, lick you up, stick you down. When you caught up in an Irish situation, Irie, why did you get yourself out of it? Yeah, we Irie, did you like it? Yeah, mommy, you make me feel so comfortable. Can so natural, yeah. You know exactly how to handle me. How do you high.